So, you want to learn bookkeeping. Chart of Accounts, by Dave Marshall. How codes are used in conjunction with building the chart of accounts. As coding applies to bookkeeping and accounting, we just mean that we assign a name, number, or both, description, and group or category identifiers to each unique account. Account numbering system. A simple or elaborate numbering system composed of numbers, alphabetic characters, or a combination of both alphanumeric, is often used in setting up a chart accounts. Digits in the account number are used to indicate the type of account, a location of the company, a division of the company, a department of the company, etc. The account number could end up to be quite lengthy and composed of many digits representing the type of account, location, division, department, etc. In other words, we define accounts using ranges blocks of numbers. These number ranges blocks are used to define major account categories and subcategories by assigning these numbers to each account that belongs to a unique group or category range. Block codes used with numbers is one of the most frequent coding methods used when setting up a manual or computerized charts of accounts. Let's take a look at a simple example to help clarify what we're talking about. By separating each account number by several numbers, room is provided for adding additional new accounts. Each of our blocks allow a maximum of 100 accounts. The first digit number represents the type of account, asset, liability, etc. If the first digit number is a 1, this account is an asset. If the first digit number is a 2, it is a liability, and so on. The block assigned for the type of account is used to assign account numbers to the individual accounts. Using account identifiers or attributes is another method of coding that may be used for developing your chart of accounts. Account identifiers or attributes are unique building blocks or pieces of information used to design and set up the chart of accounts. Each block or piece attaches additional identifying information to the account. Accounts are defined by assigning identifiers such as a division code, department code, type of account code, asset, liability, equity, revenue, expense, account group code, current asset, current liability, etc., sequence code, order the account appears in financial reports, etc., that are used to group and report on different segments or activities of the business and provide information for formatting reports.